Williams, nice pass. Nada pa. Corner 3. Yes, sir. Grabe, green light talaga lagi si Wallace dito. Hayes. Reeves, attacks, pass, corner. Bang! Nice. So again, Rui Hachimura. Nasa free throw line ako pero wala. Munti ka pa makuha. Nakuha pa nga Wallace again. Bang! Oh no. Woo! Grabe. SGA, slow and steady. Shot won't go pero nakuha ka agad. Hartenstein, ako walang rebound. Nice! Nako po, nagkagulo-gulo na. Hartenstein again. Wala pa rin talaga. Eto na, outlet pass papunta kay LeBron. What a nice pass dito, Luke Kennard. 3-point shot. Bang! Yes, sir. Wakas. So, mula kay Rui, ngayon pa lang ulit nagkaroon ng shot ang Lakers rito. Ang huge moments itong game 1 and 2. Chet Holmgren, ako, nice one over LeBron James. Austin Reeves, attacks, pass, nice one, Rui Hachimura. I-screen dito. Ako po, naagaw pa. Uy, nice. Ayos yun Nice setup rito, Kennard. Nice one. So, nice effort dito. Okay. Kennard. Corner. LeBron over Caruso. Yes, sir. 10 points. Uy, nako, nice fake rito by Mitchell. Ang atake rito. Pass the corner. Hartenstein. Holmgren. Wow. Grabe, considering na hindi ko lang alam kung ako lang o ang lambot talaga ng galawan nito ni Ayton. Ayun. Rui Hachimura. 3, no? LeBron. Are they looking for the tie? Eto tayo, LeBron. Boom! Nice one. Tie game. So ito rin, kailangan din ng Lakers talaga itong hot shooting ni LeBron. Uy, nako, with a step back. Jay, nakasagot agad dito si SGA. Uy, nag-rhyme yun ha. Nice save rito. Reeves. Atake ulit. Austin Reeves, the fake. And one. Yun. Medyo hindi talaga maganda. When it matters most. Masyadong manipis. Oy, Austin Reeves, Kennard, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Kakalbagin sila. Oh, Reeves, what a nice layup rito by Alex Caruso. Chaya atake. Jumper again. Yes, sir. Nakuha ulit. OKC with the lead, 1 point. AJ Mitchell. Oy, fast pace rito. Oh, with a layup. Buti di tinawagan yun. Kung talaga sa turnover nun. Look at that.
And so you see AJ Mitchell, he's got great burst, great handle, great
change
of speed.
I think hindi. Performance
to
niya.
watch, right?
Tapos less turnovers.
Reeves has the second one fall off the side of the rim.
Nice one. Ayton. Easy 3-point play pa rito. Yun ang kailangan, yung presence defense, yung paint presence rito ni Ayton. Take spins, 3-point shot, wala. 57-59.